Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Chief number 10011W hammer assembly. This is a fire extinguisher brake hammer, obviously is what it is. Weighs about 1/10 of a pound. Weighs about 1/10 of a pound. Includes the white brake hammer with what I would believe to be an aluminum tip. It's not magnetic, it certainly looks like it's aluminum. It's going to have the what is probably 1/16 of an inch nylon coated stainless cable with the plastic rivet to get into the fire extinguisher cabinet that will hold that in place, obviously. Let's take some dimensions of the item. Overall length of the brake hammer itself is about 8" stem to stern, so to speak. Overall width of the head of the unit looks like we're right at about 2.5". Okay. Length of the stainless cable itself looks like we're right at about 14" overall length of the cable alone. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, which is awfully handy so that you can review some typical items from Cato. A little bit more about Cato. They are a Florida-based wholesaler of fire safety equipment. I like them a lot. I wish I sold more of their product. And it's not only because it's a good product, it's a good value, but mostly it's the service that we get. They ship material out. They do so well, they do so quickly, and they do so without complication. So they're predictable and they're reliable and dependable. I would look to their products because of that service. There's also a link to a document called Product Information. It's going to show you the 111W white brake hammer, the box that it's typically used with, and you'll just see that. There is, of course, the stainless steel breaker bar as well. Can't say which is more common. I see both of them, I think, relatively equally. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Cato products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Cato number 10011W Chief Fire Extinguisher Cabinet white brake hammer or any other Cato product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.